Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a CRKT fossil Icoma design here with me for a quick maintenance video, but hey, don't forget to like this video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you aren't subscribed already, because it's gonna help me a lot to keep going on and showing you this kind of stuff. And let's get started, guys. This is a strange knife. It's very interesting. Probably it's not my style, but has some pretty cool features. Like the grip is very good. The action is already super nice, and we're gonna just try to disassemble, maintain, clean it up, and see if we can improve it. But I'm not sure, guys, because it's pretty good. So let's go ahead. We're gonna need a screwdriver, like a bit driver with that's a T8, and I think that we're gonna need a T6 for the handles, and T6 is this little fella right over here. And we can start, let's say, from this side over here. Just hold it firmly and just unscrew with some, you know, being decisive, maybe you can say that. And there you go. So these are spinning, so just keep that in mind. And I see some blue Loctite going on, so we're gonna make sure to put some Loctite back, which means that they might have the tendency to unscrew. So for the scale, for the handle, we are done. We're gonna just do the T8 over here. I think this is a D-shaped pivot. I think so, yeah, it looks like. Maybe not, I don't know. Let's see, and then is here, and then just lift the scale and the magic happens. So you got a stainless steel scale over here. This is a very interesting blade, hollow grind. Very nice. It's a little bit thick right at the heel, but not a biggie. And then you got, oh yeah, the pivot is D-shaped. Pretty cool. And then you've got your bearings, which are stainless steel and caged with, look at that. There's even a spacer. Very, very interesting indeed. So you've got 1, 2, and 3, and the pivot, the stop pin, sorry. And here you've got, yeah, look at this. You got another one, which doesn't want to come out, of course, because the grease. There you go. She's out. And go ahead and grab some rubbing alcohol like that, and just a microfiber cloth like so, with a little bit on that, just to remove the gunk and all the stuff, the lint and everything that might be built up on the inside, and just go ahead and clean it thoroughly. Nice finish actually on the inside. I just clean this pocket here. And let's go ahead. This is a pretty cool micarta here. Nice. I mean, nice finishes for, let's say, a budget knife. It's, yeah, it looks pretty nice actually. It has a unique look for sure. It's not for everyone, but you can just appreciate how it's done. This is stainless steel. In fact, there's no insert, and very good. So that is done. We're gonna just go ahead and do the blade. Very nice. Nice hollow grind, pretty thick stock, nice jimping. Yeah, that's good. So these guys can go right over there. And we can go ahead and clean the stop pin like so, and the bearings and the spacer / washers, just like that, so you don't risk to bend or anything when you pick them up from the mat like so. And let's also clean the pivot like this. I really appreciate the fact that this thing is D-shaped. I'm so happy. And pretty much we're done, guys. We're gonna go ahead inserting the pin in the right orientation like so. That is good. And then you've got these bearings in, and you can take a little bit of 10 weight nano oil, like 3 drops. I'm just gonna do a tiny, that's just a bubble, tiny drop of 85 weight nano oil on the detent ball, and then I'm just gonna go ahead, insert the blade like so. Then we're gonna get this the stop pin in place like here, and then we want this to be a little bit further up like that, so that we can install the bearing in 1, 2, oops, and let's do 3 like so. There you go. So the bearing is in. Actually, you know what? I just missed one step over here, which is, don't forget to put the washer slash spacer. If it's there, yeah, probably there's some need for that. And then this guy can be probably sandwiched on, so make sure you find the groove. See, this side has the groove, this side doesn't have the groove, so just put it like with the groove facing the bearing, of course, and then we can just pretty much go ahead, line up the pocket with that in a careful way so we don't move anything, like so. Just put it on top, and we're done, guys. We're gonna go ahead with the handle like here. Grab a little bit of blue Loctite, just like a tiny bit is enough, you know. This is, yeah, that's it, that's all right. And we go ahead, and that is one. And this is the second one, just a little bit, you know, just to coat the inside of the thread. It's just gonna spread around nicely, and it's gonna hold the screw in place. And that's a pretty cool thing, because you can undo this. So it's not the red one. There you go. That's all right. And this is right here. Done. T8, it's in. Let's just do, yeah, let's just check that everything is in place. Yeah, looks like so. You've got your T8 bit, put the pivot screw in, and I'm just gonna do a little bit of blue magic, oops, over there. This guy can go, and this guy can go in like so. And now we're gonna just do a fine tuning at the end. I so appreciate that this is keyed in, guys. I love it. So let's just go ahead first and make sure that the handle is tight. Don't over tighten it, but it needs to be tight. See, just, you're gonna feel it. You just don't apply too much torque. There's no need for that. So let's just go ahead, check blade centering like so. Feels probably, yeah, a little bit. Let's just spread this oil on the detent ball track. So it's less sorry, it's less drop shotty, but it's much more gliding. But let's just do a little bit less and see if we have there's no blade play actually, and we can do a little bit less, maybe like so. Still, yeah, oh yeah, guys, this is very pleasant action. I am really surprised by the action of this guy. Very cool. Very, very nice, guys. Yeah, amazing. I'm happy. There you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.